Hey guys! So to start off this tutorial, you're going to want an angled brush. I prefer one with a spoolie at the end. The first step is to do an outline of your brows. I like to follow my brows natural outline and then go from there. I do this step on the top and on the bottom of my brow. At this point, I'm starting to fill in my brow. Any sparse area in my brow I like to fill, which is the point of my brow being so bold. And you really want to take your time when you do your brows to perfect them. The next step, I'm going to conceal. This is the best part. If you can give yourself like ASMR, which I think you can, this is it for me. Oh my gosh. It's just so satisfying for me. Like, concealing my own brow is like therapy. Like, look at that. I mean, look how clean. It's just beautiful. And I'm very tedious when it comes to this step because I really want to make sure that my brow is looking beautiful and defined and clean. I don't want a messy brow unless, I try to look for a messy brow. Next, I'm going to be taking this buffing brush and just buffing out the excess concealer. You do not want to look like you got a big white patch of white under your brow. Oh, Lord Jesus. Honey, because nobody's going to tell you. At this step, I'm just filling in any parts what I don't like that I missed. And I'm going to be concealing the top of my brow. Now, this step is very crucial for me because even if my eyebrows are not done, which 90% of the time they aren't, it makes it look like I did my eyebrows. I just love this step. Like, it makes a really big difference to my eyebrows. And I'm going to be buffing that out. You can already see the difference between that brow and this brow. Like, it's amazing. Next, I'm going to be concealing the top of my other brow. Make sure you do the steps to both your brows, please. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.